Hi, my name is Katie K, and I am about to show you my final project for Code in Place. I am doing the Brick Breaker game using Python 3 to launch it. You can see this is a classic Brick Breaker game, and if you notice at the bottom right corner where the terminal is, it is updating the count of bricks that are hit. I hope to continue to modify this game so that as it continues to count the bricks that are hit, it will update and give you on the game console your total score. Now, the way that this game works is if it hits all 80 of the bricks that are in here, you'll get a screen that says you win, and you'll be asked if you want to play again. If you, however, lose is by having the ball drop down to the bottom screen past the paddle, you'll be counted down lives, and you have a total of 3 lives. If you get to lives remaining equals 0, the game will say game over. It's a bit sad, but you can always launch the game again and play it again. Something that I want to do as I continue coding this beyond this class is to make sure that I fix that paddle glitch where the ball sometimes gets stuck in between the paddle and then launches back up. I also want to make sure that I have my text, which I haven't been able to see quite yet, remain on the screen without it being counted as an object. Ah, there you go, lives remaining 2. There we go, you win! Awesome! So what happens now is that you will see this. Play again, type yes or no. Type yes, it will launch you with another Brick Breaker game. Gonna let the ball drop. Lives remaining equals 0. Game over.